Just processing all these branches into mulch. We're using a bushfire rake, which is really good for scooping the heavy mulch. This is Jesse from Mantley's Mowing, and we've just helped him clean up a major small tree removal job he's got done. Just tell us how many loads you would have done if we didn't use a mulcher today.
Yeah, we're probably looking at 4 to 5 trailer loads if we didn't mulch it and turn it into one.
Yep.
And then there's maybe half a load to take off all the stumps.
Yep.
Which is quick to unload.
So we were here for 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
How long would you reckon by yourself it would have taken?
Probably 8 hours, I reckon.
Yep.
I had it booked in for 2 days, plus the backyard. So yeah, this has saved half a day's work. So
cool.
yeah, cheering.
And you've got a trailer load of mulch now. What are you going to do with that?
I'll probably call around. I've got 2 clients in mind that might need it in the back of their acreage home. So yes, they might like that. So if not, off to the dump.
Yep. Cool. All right. Job done.